Hi there, friends. Today we are unboxing this. It's a lamp that kills mosquitoes, and it's like a night light too. So let's see what's in the box. This is by Yage, international leader of portable appliances. So, okay, let's open this up, shall we? So it's had a rough shipment, but hopefully it made it all intact. And out of the box comes a happy looking little light. There we go. Okay. That's about it for inside the box there. Perhaps some instructions. No? Okay, maybe underneath the styrofoam. No. So the instructions are attract. We're going to read the box here. So, fast luring, UV nanometer wavelength lighting, powerful suction, unescapable design, funnel, structure to effectively prevent from escape, easy to wash. Okay. So, trap mosquitoes, usage. Please put the power plug into the socket. Okay, so we are going to plug this in. We are actually out in the treehouse. So, sometimes, well, we used to get mosquitoes in here when someone left the door open. We don't really anymore because it's bug proof, but when we do, let's see, let's plug this in here. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, I'm going to leave the door open on purpose. There we go. Plugged in. Now we're going to turn it on. Okay. Okay, so it is on now. Alright, so let's read some more. Put the catcher on the desk. We're not lower than 1 meter. I'll be using for there. Cut it power immediately. You can put some stuff in there. Okay, so basically that is it, my friends. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the door open here and see. Let's see. Is there any light coming out of there? Okay, it's just there is some light here. Let's remove the foam here. So we are out in our little tree fort / cabin, and you can see that it is emitting some light. And there's some air coming out of there. It's pretty quiet. So what I'm going to do is going to leave, I think I'll leave a window open. And that should allow the mosquitoes to get in here. And we'll come out in the morning and see if it's caught any mosquitoes. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, hey there friends, doing a little update here on the Aowoto inhaler, electronic mosquito killer. Okay, this one's taken a little while because I was trying to get some mosquitoes to kill. I put it out in our little tree house, left the windows open, came back the next day. No mosquitoes were in there at all. For some reason, they didn't want to go in there. So I was trying to put this in places where there were mosquitoes, and I just can't find any mosquitoes right now, any bugs or anything like that. So I could do a little demonstration of what's going on right now with this bug killer. So first off, it's got a little hook there that you can hang it from somewhere. The cord is only about probably less than 3 feet long. It's got a nice little friendly look here, and also let me flick off the light here. It has, oops, it might help if I turned on my power strip here. Oh yes. Seriously? There we go. So it has a little light, so you could use it as a night light for sure. And there's a fan inside here, so it's basically, the idea is when the mosquitoes are drawn into the light here, it just sucks them in there and then they die. So as you can tell, it's pretty quiet, doesn't make a lot of noise, and puts out a nice little glow there. Okay, so underneath here, if you unscrew it, there is a catching area for your bugs to just go in there and basically die. And that you could easily dump out if you wanted to. Yeah, I really wish I would have had more bugs around. It was just, I had some earlier, and by the time I got this, all my mosquitoes were gone around here. So I can't really speak as to how well it works as far as capturing bugs, because I didn't have any to capture. So as far as being a nightlight, and it seems to be, I mean, you do have the ultraviolet light, you do have an air suction that's pulling down, so I assume it is working, but without the actual evidence, that's all I can do at this moment. So I do like the friendly little design here. Looks like it's like a frog, so that's kind of cool. But as far as being able to attest to how well it captures bugs, I can't do that. But I do like the other features and stuff like that. It looks pretty cool, and I think it'll work well, but I just don't have any proof yet. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Everyone have a great day. I'll leave a link to this product in the description below. You guys take care out there.